The first drop of rain always tastes like heaven. Those sour challenges that seem like mountains ripened into sweet memories of life. And true friendship leave a sweetness in the heart, a joy that lingers long after words are gone. Now, none of these sentences are about food, yet you could taste emotions in each one of them. If you are someone who finds incorporating taste imagery in your descriptive writing difficult when there is no food, then this video is for you. Take this 5-step journey into the world of taste with me. Step 1. Know that taste and emotions are interrelated. Sweet taste can be associated with the emotion of joy and pleasantness, sour with envy, bitter with sadness and betrayal, and spicy with emotion of anger. Now, knowing that taste and emotions are interrelated is the foundation of everything we do now. Step 2. Decide what emotion you want your reader to feel and hence the corresponding taste. For example, I want my reader to feel the emotion of joy. So I know the taste is sweet, which means that I need to include sweet experiences in my writing. Step 3. How do other senses contribute to the taste we have decided? Now the taste we want is sweet. Now I'll find out what about sight, sound, smell and feel that could create sweetness. Sweet smells, vanilla, chocolatey, even floral smells are sweet. Sweet sounds, soft sounds are sweet. Lively upbeat sounds are sweet. The voice of a child is sweet. The voice of a mother could be sweet. Now what about feel? Some textures are sweet. Soft textures could be associated to sweetness. Even furry textures could be associated to sweetness. Now temperature. Now which temperature? It is the warm or the cold which could be associated to sweetness. Of course, the warm feeling are the sweeter feelings, right? And in sight, we can think of the color which we can associate it with sweet taste. Of course, red could be associated to sweetness. And what about shape? No guesses, right? Round shapes are really sweet shapes. Now we explored all senses and understood how they can be associated to the sense to sweetness. Now it is this input which we'll use in our next step to create sentences to form sweet experiences in our writing. Step 4. Choose a theme that stirs sweet memories and then use the attributes of sweetness of all other senses into describing it. Now, visiting your grandmother after a very long time is indeed a sweet theme. The sweetness of this meeting can be expressed to other senses by using words like warm, soft, and round, as we had explored in the previous step. The soft voice of my grandmother, her warm hug, and her cuddly round belly drew me into the sweetness of my childhood as if nothing had ever changed. Now, this definitely is a sweet experience. So lastly, step 4. Use taste like figure of speech. Life is a pleasurable journey. Pleasurable could be a metaphor for, so pleasurable could be flavorful. Life is a flavorful journey. The movie ended in a tragedy. A tragedy is a sorrowful emotion, so hence a bitter taste. The end of the movie tasted like bitter sorrow. Life is full of surprises, which means it is a mix of happiness, fun, sadness, which means different emotions, so different taste. Life often has unexpected tang, like a hidden burst of lemon in a sweet dish. So I hope this was an appetizing lesson for you. Now it's your turn. Why don't you share your taste imageries with no food in the comment section? And don't forget to subscribe. Every week I make videos on IGCSE English Language and Literature. And if you subscribe, you'll be notified when a new video is released.